Everyone, I hope you all are doing great. So if you feel trouble in reapplying sunscreen on makeup or in general, this video is for you. I'll show you the techniques of reapplication and how this Dermaco 1% hyaluronic acid sunscreen spray worked for me. So this is Dermaco 1% hyaluronic acid quick absorbing sunscreen spray. It is SPF 50 PA4 pluses. Sunscreen spray comes in this kind of packaging where all the informations are written. It is priced at rupees 699 for 100 ml of product. I purchased it from Nykaa. Now let's talk about ingredients or sun filters. It has both UV and UVB sun filters. It has both mineral broad spectrum sun filters. It has allantoin, vitamin E. It is fragrance free, dye free, paraben free, mineral oil free. It is not water resistant, and it has kind of milky texture, but after setting there is no white cast. Spray format is revelation for anyone who dislikes reapplication of sunscreen due to makeup or due to sunscreen stick, or in general someone who feels lazy in reapplying. One thing I want to highlight over here is always shake very well before use if you don't want white patches or drops on your face. After shaking well, mist your face generously like you are misting a rose water. The formula is extremely lightweight and quick absorbing. It doesn't leave any greasy film or white cast on the face and applies very evenly and effortlessly. This sunscreen spray is perfect for those rushed mornings or even when reapplying throughout the day. The formula is really hydrating, but this is not the mist is not very fine, like the spray is not very fine, but it works very well for me. Let's talk about my experience with you. I was in dire need of a sunscreen spray. As someone who prioritizes both skincare and convenience, finding a sunscreen that not only protects but also nourishes and act as makeup fixer is a game changer. Sunscreen spray has seamlessly integrated into my daily routine, offering benefits beyond basic sun protection. Now let's talk about best thing. It is hydrating and it does refine my pores, as I have very enlarged pores, so I find something which shrinks my pore. It smoothens out the skin like any filter, makes my skin so smooth and dewy. I use this as my makeup fixer. Also, it gives me very beautiful finish. I use this as my makeup fixer at night time as well, because some of the makeup fixer oxidizes my makeup, so this one works best for me. The way it smoothens out my skin is phenomenal. It doesn't leave my skin parched, but actually leaves my skin feeling plumped and moisturized. My skin looks healthy after using this. It takes just few seconds to dry out, and after that you can see the result. There is nothing on my hand left, no white cast, nothing. It's just I have not applied anything. Use this on my broken barrier as well, but I did not feel any burning sensation. This has become my go-to product because it's so easy to use and so easy to travel with. If you are someone if you are outside or in the kitchen, you feel lazy to reapply, but with this you don't have to wash your hands, and all you can do is just spray it wherever you are. This is the proof that how much I and my family loves this. Even if I have gifted this to my friend and she almost tells me every day that you have done such a good job. Another best feature of this is if you have extremely oily acne prone face like mine, like I have, it works the best on you without making your face oily. Instead, your face looks very healthy after using this. Now let's talk about how it does on makeup. So it doesn't move your makeup at all, not even eyebrow powder. You are someone who is very concerned or afraid कि white drops ना आए, और जो कि नहीं आता है obviously, or you are someone who is afraid कि makeup move ना हो जाए, you can use this method of reapplication. Also it's very good and very seamless. It doesn't itch your face even after reapplying it 4-5 times a day, and also doesn't peel off. I also use this on my hands and feet or any other exposed area. So finally, I would like to say the sunscreen spray has become an essential part of my skincare routine. Its lightweight hydrating formula combined with effective sun protection makes it a standout product in the crowded sunscreen market, of course. Whether you are looking for something to wear daily on makeup, or as a setting spray or as reapplication, this sunscreen delivers on all front. I highly recommend this for anyone who feels lazy in reapplication, or they ignore reapplication due to their too busy schedule. So this is perfect for you. Thank you for watching. I hope you like this video.